let's do a speed test between the new M4 13 and 15-inch MacBook Airs. So on the top, we have the M4 13-inch MacBook Air with a 10-core CPU and 8-core GPU. And on the bottom, we have the 15-inch version with a 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU. We'll start with a quick boot up test. The 15-inch MacBook Air was just a tad quicker by 2 seconds. Next, we have Geekbench 6, starting with the CPU test. Both the 13 and 15-inch MacBook Airs had almost the exact same single and multi-core performance, which is quite expected because they both have the same 10-core setup with the M4 chip. Next, we'll do the GPU test in Geekbench 6. So the 13-inch got around 48,500 and the 15-inch got around 54,900. So the extra 2 GPU cores on the 15-inch gave an improvement of about 15%. And lastly, we have a disk speed test between the two. So you'll notice that both the read and write speeds are very similar, and that's because both of these MacBooks have the exact same 256 gigabytes of storage. Now, if you were to upgrade to 512 gigabytes, that's when you would see the real improvement in both read and write speeds. And that's because the higher storage options, such as 512 gigabytes, actually uses two 256 gigabyte SSDs, so there are higher read and write speeds. So both MacBooks were very similar in the CPU, GPU, and disk speed tests, so speed shouldn't really be a factor when deciding between the two. If you want more portability, go for the 13-inch. And if you want more screen real estate, which I would recommend, go for the larger 15-inch. And if speed is a deal breaker for you, then you're probably in MacBook Pro territory. As always, thank you so much for watching, and let me know what videos you want to see next.